Welcome to our video, Top 6 Innovative Tools for DIY and Home Improvement. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Glass Tile Cutter. The Drywall glass tile cutter is the perfect companion for your tiling projects. With the ability to cut glass tiles up to 11 mm thick, this cutter is incredibly versatile. Its ergonomic handle design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for on-site tile cutting tasks, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring a high-strength steel cutter head, it delivers durable and precise cuts every time. Whether you're working on intricate designs or larger projects, this tool is an essential addition to your toolkit. Number 5. Screwdriver Bit Set. The LAOA screwdriver bit set with a magnetic ring is designed for efficiency and convenience. Each 6.35 mm bit is crafted with S2 steel for durability and reliability. The magnetic ring enhances grip and precision, ensuring screws stay securely in place during operation. Whether you're working with an electric screwdriver or manual tools, this set is perfect for various tasks, from small household repairs to complex DIY projects. Compact and versatile, it's a must-have for every toolbox. Number 4. Tile Spacer Set. The Tile Spacer Set is a game-changer for anyone tackling flooring or wall tiling projects. With 50 pieces of level wedges and spacers, this system ensures perfectly aligned tiles while preventing movement during curing. Easy to use and operate, the spacers simplify your tiling process, helping you achieve a flawless finish every time. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIYer, this leveling system saves time and effort, making it an indispensable tool for tiling perfection. Number 3. Drywall Cutting Tool. The gypsum board cutting tool is a versatile and durable solution for woodworking and drywall projects. With a clear scale for precise measurements, this tool makes it easy to achieve clean, accurate cuts. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance, even with frequent use. Designed for DIYers and professionals alike, it also doubles as a woodworking scribe for added versatility. Whether you're installing drywall or crafting detailed woodwork, this tool enhances precision and efficiency, simplifying your projects significantly. Number 2. Steam Cleaning Machine. The Jick Steam Cleaner is a high-temperature, high-pressure cleaning marvel. Powered by a 2600-watt motor, it offers efficient cleaning, sterilization, and disinfection capabilities. With its automatic pumping feature, it ensures a steady supply of steam for uninterrupted operation. The 1.8-meter design adds convenience and flexibility, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. Perfect for home, office, or industrial use. This steam cleaner is a reliable and eco-friendly way to maintain cleanliness and hygiene. Number 1. Laser Level. The Hupar Laser Level is the ultimate precision tool for tiling, flooring, and other alignment tasks. Featuring 16 green laser lines with Osram 520 nm wavelength, it offers exceptional accuracy and visibility, even in bright conditions. Its horizontal and vertical accuracy of -3 mm at 10 meters ensures precise leveling every time. With an IP54 rating, it's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, making it durable for challenging environments. The built-in 3.7-volt Li-ion battery provides up to 8 hours of operation, and the remote control adds convenience. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this laser level is a powerful addition to your toolkit. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.